नमस्कारू. हांव रवींद्र पै, मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, सेंच्युरी रियल एस्टेट होल्डिंग्स प्रायवेट लिमिटेड उलयता सर. येवचे म्हयनो ऑक्टोबर 7th and 8th सारस्वत चेंबर्स, वर्ल्ड कोंकणी सेंटर आणि UK&CO तांणी एक ऑन्टरप्रिनर्स कॉन्क्लेव म्हणून आयोजन केलेलं आसा. ह्या कार्यक्रमाक बेंगलुरा जावचें आसा. मिगील प्रकार भारी एक चंद कार्यक्रम म्हणून हांव लेखतां. Our community is known for its entrepreneurial abilities, and this is a great initiative for our youngsters. Some of the youngsters who are already entrepreneurs can come attend this event and learn how to scale up their business. Those youngsters who are thinking of getting into an entrepreneurial space, they can come to learn how they can start their entrepreneurial venture. For the rest of them, it may be an opportunity to come and be inspired to take the entrepreneurial plunge. There will be some great programs. There are competitions like the startup competition and lectures on sales, finance, marketing from some leading industry stalwarts. Isaac Newton and सांगितलं sir, if I can see further, it's because I stood on the shoulders of giants more. This is your opportunity to come attend this event, meet some of the industry stalwarts from our community and learn and grow from them. Come in big numbers, make this event a grand success. Thank you.